crypto AI is absolutely exploding with massive returns. And if you want to be making millions, you want to be positioned in the right narrative, which right now is AI. For example, this coin EOS. I literally bought 25k worth of it yesterday back at 31 cents and it is already up more than double right now. And this is going to be possible in the AI narrative. So I'm going to share 12 altcoins I have bought to make me millions. I am going to explain why I have bought them and some of them haven't pumped yet. So make sure to watch the video from the beginning till the end. And first of all, you need to understand that the AI category in crypto is actually still massively undervalued. If we compare it with the traditional markets, well, the market cap is actually sitting 324 times lower as in the traditional markets. On top of that, in the traditional markets, AI is literally sitting at P7 with only 46 companies falling inside of this category. While if we have a look into the crypto market, well, AI is sitting at place 22. So, well, you might have seen a lot of altcoins in the AI niche actually popping off, but still, AI in crypto is still quite undervalued. On top of that, of course, during this Bitcoin bull market, we are going to be seeing AI being a huge narrative during the cycle. So for the long term, definitely AI is going to be a great investment in crypto. And for the short term, well, there is an Nvidia conference around the corner. And because of that, in the short term, many of these AI projects are actually exploding towards the upside. So definitely do not miss this opportunity right now in the market. And before going over the exact altcoins that I've been buying, well, most of them are going to be available over on Bybit and over on BingX. Both links are in the description down below. And if you do use that link down below, you can be getting crazy deposit bonuses, which you are not getting if you are not using that link. And on top of that, if you are going to be interested in my exact altcoin portfolio, whenever I buy new altcoins, whenever I sell them, well, you can be getting access to my free VIP group. Also with that link down below, fill out this form and you are going to be getting access to my VIP group. But anyways, with that being said, let's have a look into what's the first altcoin, which is going to be BitTens or Tau. And I have been talking about this altcoin for many times already down below at about the $250. I've also even made this dedicated video on this altcoin. And yes, I know guys, this altcoin is already pretty high in market cap, but even though it is already quite high in market cap, I still do think that it can be headed even higher. Why? Because, well, it is not yet listed on many of the bigger exchanges. Okay, on top of that, I'd like to say that winners keep on winning. Right now it is sitting at P31, but I could definitely see this altcoin going towards P20. But the technology behind this altcoin is definitely crazy. It is quite literally the main AI altcoin right now out there. Also, Tau is my biggest hold right now. I think, yes, this altcoin will not be pulling 100x anymore from of this moment, but definitely if you want to be going for that steady 10x during this Bitcoin bull market, I think Tau is going to be a good hold. But anyways, moving on, well, this coin, AGRS, is going to be a coin where I'm going to be very excited about because it is still relatively quite a low cap, sitting at 175 million US dollars. It's gotten an insane potential. And yes, I think some might say already that it has pumped by quite a lot, but in my opinion, it is nothing what we are about to see. Now, I have been buying a lot of this altcoin down below at about $3. I've been saying it many times on my Twitter that you should be buying a bag of AGRS. And some news about this project has just been published because the team has just said that it's going to be important to note that the patents are going to be crucial first and then the testnet will be getting launched. But well, anyways, they are going to be going after some crucial patents and whenever they are going to be obtaining them, well, literally AGRS is going to be quite unstoppable. There's going to be no project anymore competing with this project and it is seeing a very nice consolidation right now over here, having direct links with Nvidia, so definitely AGRS is going to be quite undervalued. But well, moving on, another project where I'm going to be very excited about is going to be Noya. I think this one is also going to be exploding anytime soon. Now, this project is actually going to be quite a semi-AI play because it is providing the infrastructure for AI, but not only for AI, literally for the whole crypto ecosystem. But well, Noya Noya is going to be the data layer for Web3, which is going to be an essential part for AI projects. Now, I have already bought 30k of this project yesterday. Now, by then, it has already pumped a little bit towards the upside, but in my opinion, this is still nothing with what we are about to see. And just like with AGRS, well, Noya also has some patents. They are having 12 patents right now. Noya will be so obvious in hindsight. So if you want to know more about this project, you can be finding some more details in this thread over here. Their partners are also absolutely insane, sitting at only 230 million US dollar market cap, still very low in my opinion. And the next altcoin, which I've actually also bought yesterday, is going to be quite similar from Noya. It is going to be EOS. And this one has already been pumping so much towards the upside. Literally yesterday, I've been buying it at 31 cents and right now already it is sitting at 75 cents. So yeah, I have already taken out my initials and have allocated those initials into some different projects where I'm going to be talking about a little bit later. But first of all, yes, definitely it has been pumping quite a lot towards the upside right here in the recent few days, but I still think that it has a lot more potential. It is once again going to be an infrastructure play with once again many great partners. So yeah, definitely while it has already been pumping quite a lot towards the upside, I definitely do think that this one is going to be quite a good hold. But having a look into the next altcoin, this one is once again going to be semi-AI because it is going to be Ator. Now, this one has also been pumping quite a lot towards the upside in the recent few days. I will be having a look into some altcoins which have not yet pumped, so stay tuned for that. But definitely, I think Ator is going to be once again a great hold because it is still quite undervalued, sitting at 160 million US dollar market cap. Now, I've been buying a lot of this altcoin during this dip towards the downside. I've been saying it publicly on my Twitter profile for many times. I am buying this dip. I literally got hated on for buying this dip at about the 75 cents. But well, this is crypto, right? You should actually be doing the opposite of what the majority is telling you. But well, anyways, guys, a very good undervalued hold in my opinion. This one is also going to be a DEEPCOIN project, so that is also going to be a very bullish narrative during this crypto bull market. So well, if you want to know more about the exact fundamentals of this altcoin, make sure to have a look into this Twitter thread from RV Crypto. But anyways, well, moving on into the next altcoin, this is once again going to be an altcoin which I've bought quite early. Literally, I've been buying this altcoin last year and it was sitting at like P120, and I've been already seeing at that time that it is going to be a top 30 altcoin. And well, look at what place it is sitting right now. It's literally sitting at P32. So yeah, been buying it over here in April last year. Been talking about it many times in April. And right now, well, it's absolutely blasting off towards the upside. I'm still holding my bag. This is once again going to be a coin just like Bitensor, which is going to be giving you that steady, easy 10x. But anyways, well, coming towards the more smaller caps and actually the altcoins where not many people are actually talking about, and also some of them haven't really pumped towards the upside yet. Now, the first one is going to be OLAS, and why I absolutely love this altcoin right now is going to be because it is consolidating so beautifully right now for about 3 months straight already, sitting at about a 250 million US dollar market cap, and it is literally one of the best AI agents right now out there. Now, a close competitor is going to be Moss, but that one is not out yet. That one is going to be getting released in May. But well, right now, I think that OLAS is about to create its next leg towards the upside. Beautiful consolidation over here. Absolutely love their fundamentals. So I think it is about to create its next leg towards the upside. But anyways, right now, really moving on towards the smaller caps. Right here, this one is going to be 42 million US dollar market cap. Very, very low, and I absolutely love their chart. And on top of that, what I also really love about this project is going to be their exchange listings, because it has already paid to be listed on many of the major exchanges in such a short period of time. So yeah, these two reasons already combined, in my opinion, will already make this project pump quite a lot. Now, the next altcoin is actually going to be quite similar, sitting at the exact same market cap. Also, I believe building a pretty similar product. But the only difference really is going to be that this altcoin is not really listed on that many exchanges yet, like GTAI. But anyways, well, the next one, once again, going to be another small cap with a lot of good exchange listings. So that is always what what I'd like to see. Now, actually, I bought this project all the way down below right here. It has already done a 4x for me, but I think, yeah, the market cap is still quite low. So because the market cap is still sitting so low, well, it still has a lot of potential. But well, the next altcoin is going to be Humanoid, and there is a whole thread written about this project over here. Make sure to check it out and read it for yourself if you want to know more about this project. But in my opinion, also this altcoin, well, it still relatively has not pumped a lot yet, sitting at the 20 million US dollar market cap, still very, very low. It has some exchange listings, so that is looking very good. On top of that, the fundamentals are also looking very good, having a look into towards this thread. Having many top tier backers from AVAX, for example, from Polygon, Matic. Also having some good partners with Say Network and also with Paradigm. Their team is also pretty good, not top tier, but actually pretty good in my opinion. So well, if you are going to be looking for an AI altcoin gem, well, in my opinion, I'm going to be most confident about Humanoid. Now these other smaller caps, GTI, OFN and also Lay, well, these are going to be more or less kind of a gambles because AI is just exploding right now. But while having a look into what's the fundamentals of Humanoid, it is actually looking way better. And well, for the ultra degens, well, the same guy that has written this whole thread about Humanoid has also written a thread about Judge. And this one is only sitting at a 3 million US dollar fully diluted market valuation. So yeah, this is just going to be another kind of gamble. Because, well, if it were to pop off, well, the returns are going to be crazy. By the way, I just want to make sure to say this. Well, none of these projects are actually promoting me to say this. I've actually bought all of these projects myself from the open market. But anyways, for the degens out there, make sure to have a look into what's this thread over here written on Twitter. And also, a very important thing, which I still want to be mentioning, is that you have to understand the rotation of the market cycles. First, the larger caps will be exploding towards the upside. This cycle we have already seen massively with Tau, for example, with Render also exploding. Then after that, these medium caps will be exploding towards the upside. We are seeing that right now with Noia exploding towards the upside, with AJRS right now as well, EOS and Aethor as well. And after that, these smaller cap altcoins will also be exploding towards the upside, but these will come last in the cycle, which we are starting to see happen right now. On top of that, yeah, these are going to be the altcoins which I've personally already bought into, but definitely I am looking to be buying even more AI altcoins myself. So these are going to be the next altcoins where I'm going to be having a look into what's next. First one, OPSEC. Second one, AIX. Third one is going to be Blender. Fourth one is going to be TPU, and the fifth one is going to be Signally. So these are still going to be altcoins where I'm doing some more research on, and definitely these projects in my opinion are also looking very good. But well, I have not bought these altcoins yet, and this video is about the altcoins that I own right now. But anyways, I truly hope you learned something from this video. Make sure to be following me over on Twitter, and guys, I'll see you in another video later.